Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Jersey Mike. Why do we have Jersey Mike, my love?
Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. I know she acts the same thing every freaking week.
Whatever. So I have a turkey sub and they call it Mike's Way, and that simply means turkey with provolone, lettuce, tomato, onions, salt and pepper, oil and vinegar, and oregano. But then I added a little bit of jalapeno, and then I have some pickles and banana peppers on the side, and we have some chips.
And I got a chicken Philly. Chicken Philly, right?
Yeah.
It was a name for it? No?
Chicken Philly.
Chicken Philly.
That's a name.
Lettuce, tomato, mayo, jalapeno pepper, everything's oil and vinegar, black pepper, salt. You know the vibes already. Damn.
Oh, that looks good.
Looks good.
You gonna drop it in there?
And now I drop it at Bex. I gotta hold it good. Family, just take a quick look. There you go. You can't see anything there, but
yep, you got it. Ooh.
Right, but I don't want it to drop. Damn, let me taste it. Yo, put up a sandwich, my youth. You see? But family, she said she never wanted a sandwich, you know. Don't buy me sandwich, my youth. She said she never wanted a sandwich. Don't buy my sandwich.
And she hooked it up.
She does a thing.
That's good.
I put the chip in Melissa.
They say chips and this is my presentation, Mario. They say chips and a sandwich tastes really good. Let me see how it tastes. If it tastes good in the sandwich.
You want napkin?
Yeah. Yeah.
Those jalapenos be hot, yo.
Yeah.
Family,
They're hot.
this sandwich is busting.
I see you. You guys put chips in your sandwich? I see American people do that. Listen, that's why I see do it.
Family, I might not eat two of them. No? I want to say peace, go watch a movie.
Oh my gosh, this is good.
This Now you that sandwich. Fam, this is nice. I ain't gonna cap.
Let me tell you something.
Wow.
You have to have, now that I know what I know, chips on a sandwich makes sense.
It's good? That's your first time trying it too, right?
First time trying it. I've always seen people do it. And I always said to myself, why? So I said, why not? You taste, honey?
You don't want to wear chips?
No.
It's going to the same place.
You say, I'm giving too much bread.
It's going to the same place. One thing with sandwich is messy.
Messy, yeah man, messy man. Why your bite gotta be so big?
Come here, big mouth.
Alright. It's tripping.
I like that cold stuff. Nice. Family, I took my bite back.
Whenever I eat pickles, it reminds me of the Bronx. The corner store. Okay. The bodega.
Family.
And
oh, sorry, go ahead.
It's okay. And I used to always go and get a pickle for 50 cents. Those big pickles, you remember? They're like this long and this thick. I just love those pickles at the bodega.
Family, let's have a little conversation. I know you're catching up with the Olympic just passing everything, you know, but you're following the news. Do y'all think really now Sha'Carri Richardson is overdoing stuff? She's a fantastic runner, but you think she's taking it too far on social media? You know what I'm saying? You got the great ones giving her advice and seem like she don't want to hear it. Do you think she's being too cocky? Let me know if y'all follow what's going on, because it's all over the internet. You know what I'm saying? You have social media, you're going to see it. So tell me your point of view, you know what I'm saying? She's young, she's an upcoming superstar, but you know, sometimes you gotta be humble. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And take advice from the veterans. You know? I just think, in my opinion, she's overdoing it. Every time I turn on the internet, I see something about her. She's saying this. She's doing that. Okay?
What is she saying?
She just, to me, my opinion, I think just too cocky. You know? So she had Alex and Felix. Said something good about her, giving her, you know what I mean? People need to encourage her, you know what I'm saying? Because she's good and whatever, you know what I mean? Coming from a big Olympian, gold medalist, you know what I'm saying? Representing the United States, you know? She don't want to hear that. I just think she's upset because she came in last place. That's what I think. You know what I'm saying? But everybody know you. Everybody know you good. But remember, you in the media. Everybody see how you acting. You know what I'm saying? That's a bad look. Humbly yourself. Be careful what you say. You know what I'm saying? To certain people that's been there. Because they're gonna come back and bite you. That's what everybody's saying. Don't get me wrong, she's good. Fast. But the time will come, you know what I'm saying? But just show respect where respect is given.
Yeah.
That's it. Family, I told you. So what's your opinion there? I told you I'm not gonna eat the next one. You're forcing me to eat it. I told you. That's right. That's why I want to bring it up. Cause I know y'all gonna do that.
This sandwich is good. Have some more juice?
That's what you want to do. Do not let me do my sandwich before you. Okay?
Let me see, you have your soda.
You want some soda?
What do you mean?
I ate a 2 big sandwich and I'm chatting with the family. Don't let me done before you.
Are you gonna beat me? You gonna give me a spanking?
Spankers or what? So I really want to know your opinion, okay, family? Cause I know some of y'all thinking the same way I'm thinking. One thing, one thing in life, you're supposed to be cocky, but you gotta know when to do it. You know what I'm saying? Remember, everybody's watching. People who think is not watching is watching. You know what I'm saying? Just be careful. I mean,
But question.
don't get me wrong. You gonna be around.
But question. If that's how she feels, then why does she have to watch what she's saying? Whether it's not taking advice from a veteran, maybe she don't want the person's advice. So that makes her a bad person?
No, but that person been there. That person been where been there where she want to go do. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying been there multiple times, did a lot. You know what I'm saying? But again, she's mad because she came in last.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And people saying she's still trying to be relevant. That's why she's all over the media. I'm telling you, get the rifle right now. Before you be typing her whole full name, everything pop up.
Honey. So you really come in the camera and then show them your genuine?
Oh no, I ain't get it.
What? Fire!
Oh, family, I didn't show you the new genuine. Genuine, turn on first lady. I got the Chris Breezy cut.
Mwah.
I got the Chris Breezy. You see it? Yeah, I know y'all seen it. I got a new genuine cut, man.
I think she was gonna eat all the sandwich.
They made me do it. So I'm talking.
One thing about Jersey Mike sandwich that I like the turkey is they cut it thin. It's not like thick.
Yeah. You ask them what they're gonna do for the weekend?
Oh,
Cause I'm here checking off my mouth.
shiggities.
So what's going on for the weekend?
What you guys have going on for the weekend? Me? I'm gonna have breakfast with my friend. We're gonna catch up on old times. She doesn't live too far from me, probably like 45 minutes, but we're gonna catch up. And then I don't know. I do some cleaning this weekend. I have some laundry that needs to be folded.
I'll be under slavery.
My husband be in slavery. Wow.
Sandwich is messy, but it's good. What y'all think?
But, go ahead, honey.
What y'all get when you go Jersey Mike?
Do y'all have a Jersey Mike?
Do y'all have one? Not everybody have one, probably. What you gonna say now?
I'm gonna say, also, the reason why it's slipping out is because Jersey Mike cuts their sandwich, like, and opens it.
Oh.
Publix, they only cut it, you know what I mean. Publix only cut it and then leave it attached. They separate the bread. So now that's what everything squeezes out. But it's okay. I'm gonna still eat it.
Wow. That was brilliant.
It tastes good with the chips.
Yeah? You like it now? That's a new style?
Yep.
What y'all ate today? I would love to know. Don't buy no sandwich. You see what happens, messy. We love a lot of mayo too. Love it.
So she did good in your sandwich. She made it really good.
And they're good. She made it wet. I like when it wet. Oh my God. I gotta be careful what I say. People get the wrong idea.
You like it wet, huh?
Like this. Just like that. Juicy. I enjoy the sandwich. I didn't wait over 20 minutes.
Ain't no way. First of all,
I was trying to get yours.
no. I had it's called a big kahuna. That's a big one. Or a giant.
Giant.
I bought that. I gave the kids half of it.
It's pepper hitting.
I had to make sure that the half that I gave them were both the same size. Because Tamia would sit there and measure it to see which one is bigger and take the big one and give her brother the small one.
That little girl could eat. She means she's gonna do a mukbang with you.
I won't have no food. And she's faster than you too. She's faster than you, but she's slower, which is weird. She sit at the table for a while, but her food is devoured fast. That's weird.
She can do a mukbang with her mother.
Yeah.
Now she name the food off. Yeah, she'll make a good man because she could eat.
Ew.
If you want to see that, let us know.
You could do your while, honey.
Oh, almost forgot.
So you don't forget.
Almost forgot for real. That sandwich is
Damn, the jalapeno.
All right, family. Listen, family. Firstly, listen. One of the deadliest things you can do in life is settle for less than you are worth. Family. Again. Listen, First Lady. One of the deadliest thing you can do in life is settle for less than you're worth.
Honey?
Don't come tell me nothing, honey, nothing, because I know you
My love?
I know you say my youth.
You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I can't do it, my youth. Family, First Lady, I'm going to turn police by you. We can't turn police by you. Delete that.
I'm going to do that shit and talk too fucking much. I'm going to leave it in there.
You can't tell people that people look up for me, go to turn police. Alright, hurry, but. You see, I knew you were going to say that. Yo,
You know your wife?
I know you like freak, yo.
You know me?
I knew you were going to say that.
How you know me?
Sometimes I pick
You know
one
me?
of them. Yeah, sometimes I pick them to see what you're going to freaking say.
You fuck I got? But it's true. Honey, it's true.
It's not true. Can't do
It's
it.
true. You can
Family, if you're new, welcome to the show where we talk about anything, you know. I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. So like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Tell somebody to know somebody, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
We
man.
are here. They are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
We.